China has officially opened the world's first flying car manufacturing factory, marking a major milestone in the future of transportation. The state-of-the-art facility, unveiled this week, is designed to mass-produce electric flying vehicles, a technology once seen only in science fiction. The factory belongs to a Chinese tech firm specializing in aviation-grade electric mobility and is capable of producing hundreds of units every year. The launch signals China's push to lead the global race toward next-generation transport, betting that flying cars will soon become a mainstream option for both urban commuting and emergency transport. Engineers say the new aircraft vehicles are capable of vertical takeoff and landing, allowing them to bypass traditional roads and highways. They're fully electric, equipped with autonomous navigation technology, and are expected to reduce travel time dramatically in crowded megacities. Test flights have already been completed in several cities across China and have received preliminary safety approvals. Officials describe the new production hub as a historic step that could transform mobility around the world. However, experts say large-scale adoption will take time. Regulatory guidelines, air traffic management systems, and public safety protocols must be created before flying cars become part of daily life. For now, China's new factory puts the nation at the forefront of the global flying car industry and marks the beginning of a future where commuters may no longer drive on roads but take to the skies. I'm Caroline. Thanks for watching Trending News.